Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Ipsy bag unboxing. And this is going to be my last one, at least for a while, because just being honest with you, they don't do that well for my channel. And I have a lot of samples now, so I don't really need it for myself either. It is a great deal though, I honestly do believe that. It's like 13 bucks and you get a lot of stuff, and I've honestly kept up with several, like at least 3 things I've gotten I've actually been super happy about, like that I've repurchased. Other ones I've gotten and I will repurchase that just takes a lot longer to get to the point of needing to repurchase them. But all that to say, it has been plenty worth it to do it. It's just not performing well for me, so I'm gonna move on to something else. But today it is gonna be the last day, and so let's hope it goes well. Let's hope we get a good box. Real quick, I will mention my jewelry, my necklace and my earrings are from Amazon, and then my rings are from Shein. I will link those down below. My top is from TJ Maxx, so I don't think I'm going to be able to link it for you, but I can try. And then one more thing before we get on to the unboxing. I have to show you my mug of the day. So I know Easter has passed. For me right now, Easter is in a few days, but for you, it's long over. But I still think this is a cute little mug for April, whether Easter has come and gone or not. It's an adorable little chick mug with these little eggs. Oh, it's so cute. I will try to find this online and link it for you. Don't know if I'll be able to, but I love this mug and it's adorable. Okay, let's move on. So here is the Ipsy bag. It's pretty light. I hope we got some good stuff, but let's just get right into it. I don't know what the actual bag's gonna look like, so I haven't cheated and looked online or anything like that, so hopefully it's cute. They usually are pretty cute. Okay, so this is the, this is the thing that tells you what's in your bag. Now, there was several months there where they were not giving this to me. I don't know if it was just me or everybody, and that sucked. That was annoying, but we have it this time, so yay. All right, is there anything outside of it? Yes, there is. Ooh, oh, okay. Here's the bag. Wow. That's very different than the other ones, but it's cute. It's very fitting for April, I will say. These little daisies, is that what those are? And they, matches my nails pretty well this time, I will say so myself. All right, so there are 2 things outside of the bag. We're just gonna get started. I'm gonna grab one of those, and that is gonna be this, since this is like the first thing I looked at. This is a, oh wow, that is interesting. Okay, this is a Master Patch Intensive oval shape, and my earring just fell out of my ear. Ugh, what the heck? There we go. Okay, anyways, this is the oval shape tapered edged hydrocolloid. Wow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It seems like it's going to be one of those things that you put on blemishes to help them go away, which the reason I said that's weird or cool or whatever it is that I said is because I just got an ad for something like this the other day, and I was highly intrigued and wanted to try it. So this is cool. There are 36 patches in here. Wow. These patches equal your breakout's worst enemy. The hydrocolloid material is clinically proven to help absorb fluid, reduce inflammation, and accelerate the wound healing process by helping to protect your pimples from outside bacteria. Tip: these ultra thin patches are waterproof, so they're suitable for daytime use too. This is the full size of the product and it's valued at $12. This right here is the whole entire pack's worth. Well, that's really cool. I really want to try that because I do break out in little things, so I'm actually really excited to try this. So far, so amazing. I'm going to grab the second thing that was out of the bag, and it's a brush. Ooh, and it matches the bag. How freaking cute. So that's the handle, which matches the daisy theme of the bag. That's adorable. So this is from the brand Farah, and this is Farah 828F is the brush number. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's really cute. So let's see. It's a highlight brush. Oh, okay. See, I'm not an expert at makeup, if you can't tell. Not only is this brush an essential for applying your favorite highlighter to the to the high points of your face, it doubles as an eyeshadow brush too. Use it to illuminate your favorite features or blend your favorite shadow onto your lids. Plus, the pro quality synthetic bristles are both vegan and cruelty free. Tip: be sure to give brushes a deep clean once a week using mild soap and warm water. This is the full size and it is valued at $14. But this is valued more than the whole bag is. So, I think it's super cute and it is really soft, which is nice. So, yay, I'm excited to use this. Alright, now we're going to officially open the bag and we should have like 3 things left. Oh, and look at the little handle. It's a daisy too. Blindly grabbing. What the heck? Oh, Kokie Professional Eyebrow Pencil. Smudge proof and long wear and waterproof. In the color blonde. So I have the Kokie Professional Concealer, which I am obsessed with. So high hopes that I should like this product as well. I hate caving. I think we've got it. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's very gold. There, maybe you can read it there. So, oh, this whole thing is the pencil? Oh, that's crazy. Eyebrow pencil. All right, so on one end you got this little like spoolie thing. Now the other end you've got the pencil. Ooh, I'm actually really excited for this. I like the color of it too. I think that'll be good for me. Sweet, this is interesting. Wow. Scoring full sculpted brows has never been easier. Use the pencil tip to shape and fill your brows, then brush them through with the spoolie end to blend out the pigments and tame rogue hairs. Voila! Statement making brows with natural looking definition. Tip, stash this pencil in your bag and use it to sculpt and tame your brows on the go. This is the full size and it is valued at $8. Drink break. Okay, grabbing the next thing. I feel 3 more things in here. That would make 6 things. Okay, Boing from the brand Benefit Cakeless Concealer. Here's the packaging. Is that Boing? That's what it is. Cakeless Concealer. Honestly, I do not know what that means. This is in the color Light Cool. Wow, this is teeny tiny. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's what it looks like close up. Okay, so let's see what this looks like on the inside. Okay, so there's the little thing that you use to apply it. Cool. Color might work on me. I don't know. We will have to give it a go. So there's 2 of these in here. Both the same shade. I got 2 of these? Was that on purpose? Huh. I honestly don't know if I was meant to get 2 or not, but I've got 2, so that's cool. Alright, so this stuff takes its concealing job seriously. For real. It's long wear, waterproof, and as full coverage as they come. A thin coat easily hides everything from dark under eye circles to breakouts and discoloration with zero cakey finish. Tip, use the Precision Cushion Tip Applicator to dot a light layer just where you want coverage. It's not a tip, that's directions, but whatever. This is a deluxe sample and the full-size version costs $24. Well, that's exciting. I am excited to try it because I love my concealer now, so I'm interested to see how I'm gonna feel about this stuff. All right, last thing in the bag. Got a tube of something. Ooh. Insta Bay 3-minute hair mask, 12-in-1 blend, sulfate and paraben free, from the brand Foxy Bay. Huh. So the packaging is super cute. It's like Instagram. That's weird. I honestly thought this was lotion when I first grabbed it, but it's a hair mask. I love hair stuff, so this makes me super excited. Directions. After cleansing with shampoo, remove excess water and evenly apply to clean wet hair. Leave for 3 minutes, then rinse. For severely dry and damaged hair, apply before and after shampooing. For oily hair, apply to mid-shaft and ends. Distribute evenly using a wide tooth comb. Rinse out completely. Oily hair, so yeah, here down. That's exciting. I have to smell it. You know we have to smell it. Like I don't want to use my teeth for this one because I don't want to accidentally like, taste it. Ooh, that smells amazing. Want to smell? Just kidding. Ooh, I love. They smell good, obviously. All right, so this mend split ends, smooth frizz and flyaways, and reduce dryness, all without weighing your hair down with this multitasking mask. The lightweight conditioning formula helps reverse breakage and deeply nourish hair with biotin and a blend of plant-based oils and butters. Tip, use a wide tooth comb to evenly distribute this mask through wet, clean hair in the shower. This is a deluxe sample and the full-size version is $25. I am excited to try that. All right, so what we have got in this month's bag: hair mask, concealer, eyebrow pencil, highlighter brush, and these like acne patches, which is not going to fit in the bag, but that's okay. Oh, well, I'm very, very pleased with the last bag that we'll be doing, at least for a while. I'm very happy. I think we went out on a bang, or with a bang. Well, not with a bang. We went out on a high note Well, not with a bang. That's what they are. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it entertaining, helpful, anything like that, be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really helps support my channel and shows me the kind of stuff you like to see. Let me know down in the comments if you get an Ipsy bag and what you got in your Ipsy bag this month. I'm curious because I know we get different stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day.